Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into a special countdown that will leave your car ready to face any weather. We're showcasing the best-selling windshield wipers and washers products available on Amazon. These top-rated items are essential for keeping your windshield clear and ensuring a safe driving experience. So, without any delay, let's get started. Let's dive right in and unveil number 5 on our list. The MOTIUM OM Quality Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. A stellar choice for your front windshield, offering a pair of 22-inch blades. Now, why do these wiper blades stand out in a crowded market? Well, let's start with the basics. Solid quality at a remarkably low price. These wipers don't just scrape by, they deliver award-winning performance with a bracketless beam design. Imagine driving through a torrential downpour or a heavy snowfall, and your visibility remains crystal clear. That's the MOTIUM promise. The magic doesn't stop there. These blades are crafted to conform perfectly to your windshield's curve, ensuring maximum contact and efficiency. Ever struggled with wipers that leave streaks or miss spots? Not with MOTIUM. They hug the glass with precision, making sure every inch is wiped clean. But let's talk about durability. The blade cover is ingeniously designed to prevent the buildup of dirt and debris. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, and your wipers are not only clearing the rain, but also staying free from annoying gunk. How's that for low maintenance? Additionally, the aerodynamic shape of these blades isn't just for show. It actively works to eliminate the collection of debris around the blade, reducing drag and noise. It's like having a pair of stealth wipers that quietly and efficiently get the job done, no matter the weather conditions. In summary, the MOTIUM OM Quality Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades combine robust quality, an innovative design, and superior performance, all at a price that won't break the bank. For those who demand reliability and excellence in every swipe, MOTIUM is the name to trust. Let's move on to number 4 in our countdown. The OEM Quality 22 inches plus 22 inches. PARRATI Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. This set of 2 wipers is a game-changer for anyone seeking reliability and superior performance. First off, let's talk fitment. The PARRATI wipers are compatible with UJ hook wiper blade arms, making them versatile and easy to install on most vehicles. No more struggling with adapters or worrying about whether they'll fit your car. These wipers are designed to make your life easier from the get-go. Quality is where PARRATI truly shines. Crafted from natural rubber, these blades offer exceptional cleaning and wiping performance. Imagine driving through a torrential downpour or a sudden snowstorm, and your windshield remains streak-free and crystal clear. That's the kind of safety and visibility PARRATI promises. Now, let's delve into the design. The aerodynamic structure of these wipers significantly reduces drag, noise, and wind lift. Say goodbye to that annoying chatter and lifting at high speeds. With a bracketless design, snow and ice buildup are things of the past. Dual precision-tensioned steel springs and an asymmetrical wind spoiler ensure uniform pressure distribution across the windshield, conforming perfectly to its curve. The result? Consistent, reliable contact that eliminates wet spots and keeps your vision unobstructed. Installation is a breeze with PARRATI. These components can be installed in just a few minutes without needing any additional adapters. Quick, simple, and hassle-free. Just the way it should be. But here's the cherry on top. PARRATI offers a worry-free service with 6 months of after-sales support. Need help with installation or want to ensure they're a perfect fit for your car? The detailed manual has got you covered, and the support team is just a call away. In conclusion, the OEM Quality 22 inches plus 22 inches PARRATI Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades are a blend of innovation, quality, and convenience. For those who demand nothing but the best, PARRATI is the clear choice. Let's jump right into number 3 on our countdown. The BOSCH 22A22B Icon Beam Wiper Blades, a top-tier choice for both driver and passenger sides. First, let's talk convenience. BOSCH makes windshield wiper replacement incredibly simple and straightforward with their 2-pack bundles. These bundles are thoughtfully designed with specific vehicles in mind, offering popular driver and passenger side blade length combinations. No more guessing or mismatched blades, just the perfect fit every time. Now on to the technology. Bosch's exclusive FX dual rubber technology is a game changer. This advanced material resists heat and ozone deterioration, making these blades last up to 40% longer than other premium wipers. Imagine wipers that not only perform exceptionally well, but also outlast the competition. That's the Bosch promise. The patented beam design is where Bosch truly sets itself apart. Featuring exclusive tension spring arcing technology, these blades create a custom contoured fit for each side of your windshield. This means optimized visibility, even in the most extreme weather conditions. Whether you're facing heavy rain, snow, or sleet, Bosch has got you covered. But there's more. The built-in flexible asymmetric spoiler distributes uniform downward force along the entire length of the wiper blade. This ensures the blade stays firmly attached to your windshield at higher speeds, preventing liftoff and delivering a cleaner, more consistent wipe. Say goodbye to streaks and smears. Installation is a breeze with Bosch. These wipers come with an original equipment quality hook adapter that's compatible with 9x3 mm and 9x4 mm hook wiper arms. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. However, do note that these are not compatible with side lock, pinch tab, or top lock wiper arms. For those, you'll need the OE suffix part numbers. To ensure compatibility, simply enter your vehicle's type, year, make, and model into the fit checker. With variations in wiper arms, it's no longer possible to choose replacement wipers by length alone. In summary, the Bosch 22A22B Icon Beam. Wiper blades offer unmatched durability, superior performance, and easy installation. For those who demand the best in visibility and reliability, Bosch is the ultimate choice. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling windshield wipers and washers on Amazon? Don't leave us high and dry. Give this video a wipe, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a squeaky clean update. Let's move right along to number 2 on our list. The Rain-X RX 30,226 WeatherBeater wiper blades. These 26-inch windshield wipers are a favorite among drivers for good reason. First off, let's talk legacy. The original Rain-X WeatherBeater wiper blade has been trusted for over 15 years. Known for its outstanding quality, durability, and value, it's no wonder it remains a top choice for automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. What sets these wipers apart? The galvanized steel frame. This robust structure prevents rust and corrosion, ensuring your wipers stay strong and durable through all seasons. Rain, snow, sleet, or sunshine, your WeatherBeater blades are built to last. Ease of installation is another highlight. These blades come with a pre-installed small J-hook adapter, making the setup quick and simple. Plus, they include a multi-adapter for side pin, large J-hook, and bayonet wiper blade arms. No fuss, no hassle, just straightforward installation. But let's not forget the performance. The natural rubber squeegee is designed to resist cracking, splitting, and tearing caused by extreme weather conditions, windshield wiper fluid, and even salt. Imagine wipers that remain flexible and effective, providing a clear view no matter what the road throws at you. One thing to note, international products might have different terms, fit, age ratings, and language of product labeling or instructions. Always check the details to ensure you're getting exactly what you need. In conclusion, the Rain-X RX 30,226 WeatherBeater wiper blades offer unmatched reliability, ease of use, and long-lasting performance. For those who demand excellence from their wipers, Rain-X is a name you can trust. Finally, at number 1 on our countdown, we have the Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 water-repellent wiper blades. These 22-inch windshield wipers, available in a convenient pack of 2, are the ultimate choice for drivers seeking unparalleled performance and innovative features. What makes these wipers stand out? It all starts with the patented water-repellent formula. This 2-in-1 wiper blade doesn't just clear your windshield. It also applies Rain-X water repellent directly to the glass. Imagine driving through heavy rain, and instead of water pooling, it magically beads up and rolls off your windshield. This feature alone provides superior all-weather driving visibility, enhancing both safety and comfort. Installation is a breeze with the Rain-X universal adapter. Fitting 96% of vehicles, it's designed for ease and convenience. Simply scan the QR code on the back of the package for detailed installation videos. No more struggling with complicated setups. Just straightforward, easy-to-follow instructions. Now let's talk about technology. The advanced beam wiper blade technology is a game changer. It ensures uniform pressure points along the entire length of the blade, allowing it to perfectly hug the curvature of your windshield. The result? A smooth, clean wipe every single time. No streaks, no missed spots, just clear, unobstructed vision. But the benefits don't stop there. These wipers are engineered for ultimate all-weather performance. Whether you're facing ice, snow, or sleet, the Rain-X Latitude wipers deliver longer-lasting, superior wipe performance. They're designed to tackle the most extreme weather conditions, ensuring your windshield remains clear and your drive remains safe. In conclusion, the Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 water-repellent wiper blades combine innovative technology, ease of installation, and unmatched performance. For those who demand the very best in windshield wipers, Rain-X is the undisputed leader. Get ready to experience driving with clearer vision and greater safety no matter the weather. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling windshield wipers and washers on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.